Hello, so the next question is, a moving block of having mass m collides with another stationary block having mass 4m. The lighter block comes to rest after collision. When the initial velocity of the lighter block is v, then the value of coefficient of restitution will be. So as we know that using law of conservation of linear momentum, m1 v1 is equals to m2 v2. So we have mass m with v1, which is equals to second mass, which is 4 times the first mass, and then the velocity v dash. So m and m will cut out, and from here we will know that v dash is equals to v by 4. So the formula of coefficient of restitution E equals to v dash by v. So v by 4 upon v, which gives us the solution 0.25. Okay, thank you.